Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term 7 zeros. J.N. Edwards was one of the first people to introduce just-in-time to West when he presented it at an APIX conference in 1983. As with most Westerners, he wrote in terms of absolute ideals. While not to be taken literally, the 7 zeros provide an overview of what the JIT production process looks like. Number 1 is zero defects, make it correctly the first time. Number 2, zero or excess lot size. In order to be responsive to downstream demand, parts must be produced as quickly as possible. Making things in large batches hinders this responsiveness. This is more commonly stated as a lot for lot size. And third one is zero setup. This goes hand in hand with the lot size. Manufacturing a variety of parts quickly means we have to be able to configure workstation to produce the parts quickly. This is better known as single minute exchange of a die or smudge, which is Shingo's setup goal. Fourth one is zero breakdown. Preventive maintenance keeps the line running smoothly, which is required since the buffer of inventory is unavailable. Fifth point is zero handling. Downstream workstation require parts exactly when needed. If parts are being handled, we will have to raise our WIP level in order to ensure downstream process do not starve. Sixth zero is zero lead time. Parts are available as soon as they are requested. Seventh one, zero surging. The process can flow as long as the production plan is smooth. Keeping demand level is the key to reducing delays. Again, these are ideals. Zero lead time is impossible as it means instantaneous production. Breakdowns are inevitable and setup exists no matter what. Even in SMT, it's a single minute setup. Still, striving towards these goals can lead to an efficient just-in-time process. Thanks for watching. Bye.